Hi, I'm Emily from the Blue Mouse, and today I'm going to teach you how to work in SPP, which is a slip, purl, pass, and it is a single decrease. So we're going to bring our yarn in between our needles, bring it in between our needles to the front. Okay, so you're going to go into the next stitch as if to purl, but you're just going to slip it. So with our yarn in front, go into the front loop of the next stitch from right to left as if to purl, but just slip it to your right hand needle. And now you're going to purl the next stitch. So go into the front loop of the next stitch from right to left, yarn over, pull through, slide off. Now it's time for the pass. So the second stitch on your right hand needle is your slip stitch. You're going to take that and pull it over your purl stitch and off. So I like to hold on to this purl stitch here so it doesn't go anywhere. And then go into the front loop of the second stitch from left to right. You might have to hold it with your thumb, pull it over that purl stitch and off. And that's it. So I'll show that to you one more time. You can keep your yarn in the front of your work, and then you're going to go into the front loop of the next stitch from right to left as if to purl, but just move it to your right hand needle, slipping it, and then go into the next stitch as if to purl, and this time you actually are going to purl it. So go into the front loop from right to left, yarn over, pull through, slide off. This is our slip stitch. This is our purl stitch. So again, hold on to your purl stitch with your finger, go into the slip stitch from left to right, the front loop of it, and pull it over that purl stitch and off. You can get this stitch as close to the edge as you need to get it to slip over, but you hold it with your finger so it doesn't fall off.